When you're out on a bicycle, it's kind of like flying. To sum it up in one word, freedom.
Welcome to the first annual Toronto Custom Bike Show and Rally. We're having a ride for cancer today, to the Canadian Cancer Society.
I've lost a lot of family members to cancer.
My parents were married 53 years, so my dad's all alone because of his god-awful disease, and well, they put cancer to rest, not our loved ones.
We're passionate about our custom bicycles. Love riding them, I love building them, and together with a bunch of friends riding around, it's a great time, and now we're doing it for a great cause.
Today we shall ride.
Well, we're here from Montreal. We're here to show off our rides, have a good time.
J'ai que des vélos, j'ai pas d'auto, j'ai pas de moto. J'ai traversé le Canada en vélo, j'ai fait tout le Québec en vélo. C'est ma passion, c'est le vélo, vélo, vélo.
I'm an individual, and custom bikes give you the opportunity to express yourself as an individual.
The attention, it's overwhelming sometimes when you see everybody, and all the work and the time and the effort people put in to their bikes is phenomenal, the pride that they have.